This morning, a team from the World Health Organization finally doing fieldwork in Wuhan, a year after the alarm was first raised here. Their focus on the first days of the coronavirus outbreak, relying heavily on Chinese data.
The pattern of the outbreak in people is going to lead us to where the animals come in. That's what we think will happen. So we're going to follow the human lead.
First stop was a hospital, but a critical starting point on the virus's trail, the Huanan market that also sold wildlife for food. The WHO looking at supply chains before authorities closed it.
When Huanan was closed down, it said that several of the vendors moved their stalls to this market.
Finding out more from those who were there may prove difficult. A disinfection company that sanitized Huanan market told us these days we aren't allowed to talk. Even families of COVID victims, including Zhang Hai, who lost his father, say they were warned to keep quiet while the WHO is in town. For months, China's government has tried to sow doubt about the virus starting here and has revealed little about samples taken at the outset.
Why has the data not been shared?
They didn't isolate the virus. That's the issue.
The WHO expects the team to visit the Wuhan Institute of Virology, a target for theories the virus could have leaked from its high-security lab. So far, there is no guarantee from Chinese officials that they can go.
Well, we're going to try and get to every important lab that was involved in the early stages of the outbreak. If the evidence is there, we will follow it.
The lab's directors told NBC News during our visit there in August that the lab would not be investigated as a possible source. But Dr. Shuzhong Li, a back coronavirus expert there, said in a recent email to us she was, quote, pleased to participate and assist in the WHO's study. With the virus largely under control in Wuhan, it's unclear what the city can reveal now, as the WHO team gets started with what they call the real work.
A lack of transparency and allegations of missteps in China's early response to the outbreak has raised the stakes. The eyes of the world are literally on this team, on this city, on this investigation. But we have to be realistic in the expectations. It's going to take months, even longer, to begin to solve this mystery.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.